Welcome to the first video in our series on large language models and generative AI. In this video, we'll introduce you to the fundamental concepts behind LLMs and explain how they power some of the most exciting advancements in AI today. By the end, you'll have a solid understanding of what LLMs are, how they work, and the many ways they are transforming industries. Let's start with large language models, or LLM. Simply put, these are advanced artificial intelligence models trained to understand and generate human language. They are designed to process vast amounts of text data, learning the structure, meaning, and nuances of language. What makes them large is their ability to handle billions or even trillions of parameters. Essentially, the models learn information. LLMs are part of a broader category of models known as transformers, which are built to handle sequences of data. Unlike earlier models, transformers excel at understanding the relationships between words in a sentence, no matter how far apart they are. This capability allows LLMs to generate coherent and contextually relevant text based on the input they receive. Now let's talk about generative AI. Generative AI refers to models that can create new data, such as text, images, music, or videos, based on patterns they've learned from existing data. Unlike traditional AI models that might classify or recognize data, generative models are creative in nature. They generate new content by understanding the underlying structure of the data. In the case of LLMs, generative AI means these models can write essays, create poems, answer questions, and even hold conversations, all while mimicking the style and tone of human language. This ability to create content has far-reaching applications in fields like marketing, content creation, customer service, and more. So, how do LLMs actually work? At the core of an LLM is a process called training, where the model is fed vast amounts of text data from books, articles, websites, and other sources. During training, the model learns the patterns in language, how words are used, how sentences are structured, and how context affects meaning. The most well-known LLMs like GPT, Generative Pre-trained Transformer, BERT, Bidirectional Encoder Representations from Transformers, and T5 rely on a mechanism known as self-attention. This allows them to focus on the most important parts of the input text, making their output more relevant and coherent. LLMs are not just theoretical, they have many real-world applications. Let's look at a few examples. Language translation. LLMs can translate text from one language to another, making communication easier across cultures and breaking down language barriers. Content generation. From generating news articles and blogs to writing marketing copy or even creating poetry, LLMs are helping automate content creation at scale. Customer support. Many companies are using LLM-powered chatbots to engage customers, answer questions, and even troubleshoot problems. Personal assistants. Virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa rely on LLMs to understand and respond to user queries in natural language. So why are LLMs so important? The ability to understand and generate human language opens up a world of possibilities. They can enhance creativity, automate repetitive tasks, and make information more accessible. As these models continue to improve, we can expect them to become even more powerful tools for solving complex problems and enabling new forms of interaction with technology. In this video, we've covered what large language models are, how they work, and the exciting potential of generative AI. In the next video, we'll dive deeper into how LLMs work, exploring their architecture and the training process that makes them so effective. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into cutting-edge development tools. Meta Design Solutions is here to help. Reach out to us at this email ID. See you in the next video.